Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to link CSS and JavaScript files within HTML. So to start it all off, I'm going to teach you how to link CSS files. So the first step is to make sure you have a CSS file that you want to link. So in my case, I have a CSS file called link.css. So the way you link it is you use the link tag. So I'm typing it right now. So you write link href equals and then colon what is this called again? And then inside the quotes you can write link.css or inside the quotes basically you write whatever the CSS file name is, and then after that do space and then rel. This way works with linking a CSS file. So as you can see, I have an h1 tag in my HTML file. So I'm going to go to my CSS and then h1. I'm just going to say color equals red. And then I'll do a live preview. And then as you can see, the h1 tag is red. So this way worked to link my CSS. So next, I'm going to teach you how to link your JavaScript. So this way is a little bit different. You in the body this time, not the head, in the body, use the script tag. And inside the first script, do space and then do src source equals and then whatever your JavaScript file name is, and then to prove that this works in Java in the Java and then a live preview. And then as you can see, using JavaScript, I linked the JavaScript file using this script tag, and then I used document.write_align, and then I made this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Bye.